Dear students, today you are learning the concept of self-confidence from unit number 1. Let's we continue. What is a self-confidence? A feeling of trust in one's abilities, quality and judgment. What is it? It is a feeling of trust in one's ability, quality and judgment. Take an example for that. You have a feeling of trust your abilities means what? I am doing these things by confidently means what? You expert into that work, you feel first, then you are doing well means you are confident about your skills, abilities or your qualities and judgment. It is nothing but a self confidence. In another language, what is it? Self confidence is a key to unlocking your unlimited potential. Means what? It is a key for opening your unlimited potential. Means, dear students, each and every person have a lots of potential, but they don't identify this without a self confidence. So self confidence is what? A key which is unlock your unlimited potential. Let's we continue. In general, everyone knows that self confidence is a very important, but what is not known to everyone is the degree of its importance. Self confidence is more important that you can imagine. It can change your whole life to the better, while lack of confidence will definitely have a negative efforts on your social relations, career, achievements, and even your mood. You know, dear students, in everyday life, if you are fear to do any task at that moment, what you think by negative, so you lose your self confidence. But if you face these things confidently, and it improve your self confidence. Okay, let's we see in detail. Confidence comes from the Latin word fider, meaning to trust, having trust in oneself. Dear students, this word come from which uh, uh, language? Latin word, and this is what? A fide. The meaning of that fide is what? Trust on oneself. Means what? Any person have trust themselves. Okay, self confidence is believing yourself, feeling comfortable in your true self. Self confidence is you believe in your all around ability do well, unafraid of being a failure. Means what? You are doing this confidently, you are not afraid, you are unafraid. Okay, means uh, not, you have not fear in your mind. Okay, it is a belief that combat stress, anxiety, rejection, failure, limiting beliefs. Means what? Here is only one word is difficult to combat. Means what? It is a belief that combats means fighting to stress, anxiety, rejection, failure, limiting beliefs. Okay, means if you have a self confidence, then we fight to every negative things. Next, self confidence is a belief in one's ability to succeed in specific situation or accomplish a task. What is it? If you believe yourself, then you are doing your task is perfectly, means succeed in your work or task. You complete this successfully. Let's we continue the importance of self confidence. Why it is important? Self confidence is something that you learn to build up to survive in the challenging world. This world is too much challenging. Even though, dear students, when I am asking a questions to you, you have a fear, you know answer, but what, you don't have a self confidence, so you are not giving proper answer. Okay, but number of students, what, they have a self confidence, they don't have a fear of language. How they are reply as their own language, and they are what, self confident people, and they are ready to give a answer. uh, let's we see in general view what is a self confidence. Self confidence is an attitude about your skill and abilities. It means you accept and trust yourself and have a sense of control in your life. Means what? If your positive attitude about your life, you are live positively. So self confidence is what? It is an attitude about your skill and abilities. Okay, you know your strengths and weaknesses well, and have a positive view of yourself. You set a realistic expectations and goals, communicate assertively, and can handle criticism. Means what? If you positive to your work, you are doing a successfully, and you set a realistic expectation and goals, communicate assertively, uh, means what, confidently, and can handle the problematic situations. For that, you know the your strength and weaknesses as well. Okay, on the other hand, low self confidence might make you feel full of self doubt, be passive or submissive. Means what? If you don't have a self confidence, or it may be low, what, you always taking a doubt, and what, passive, not a active. You are not doing too much freely. Okay, you are backing behind. Next, or have a difficult trusting others. You may feel inferior, unloved, or be sensitive to criticism. Feeling confident in yourself might depend on the situation. For instance, means, for example, you can feel very confident in some areas such as academics, but lack confidence in other, like relationship. Means what? If you confident in your daily workouts, but you are not confident about maintaining a relation. Means, take an example, you always fear with your teacher, no, this is what, one kind of relations. Next, having high or low self confidence is rarely related to your actual abilities, and mostly based on your perceptions. Means what? You have a confident, why you have a confident? Because your perception is what, nice about that particular objective. Means perception means what? You have a information about that task, and then you are completed it is a successfully. Means your perception is positive about that task. So what, your ability is what, a right way. Okay, so you are doing it is a successfully. So confidence is what, related to the actual ability, and the based on your perception. Perceptions are the way you think about yourself. Mm, and these thoughts can be fluid. Fluid means what? Imperfect. Okay. Next, low self confidence might stem from different experiences, such as growing up in an unsupportive and critical environment, being separated from your friends or family for the first time, judging yourself too harshly, or being afraid of failure. People with low self confidence often have an error in their thinking. Means what? If you feeling low self confidence, because there is a reason, because of your environment, number of people criticize, means blame to you, you are teasing to your friends, no, and this is one kind of blame, and so he is not talk confidently. Okay, so judging yourself too harshly, number of people behave with you rudely, and that in maybe in a past, so you are not what face the situation very confidently. There are number of reasons, and that errors in their thinking. So for improvement of your self confidence, or how to increase your self confidence, I giving a number of points or tips to you. Recognize and emphasize your strength, means what, identify and you give a importance your strength, what is I have and what is nice, and reward and praise yourself for your effort and progress. You give a rewards, yes, I have to do it and it is very nice. This is a one kind of statements reward. Okay, when you stumble on an obstacle, treat yourself with kindness and compassion. Don't dwell on failure. Stumble means what? In Marathi, what अडखळणे. Okay, means what? When you stumble on any obstacle, treat yourself with the kindness and compassion. If you have a problem, facing a problem, there is some problem for in your completing the task successfully, that moment you have to kindness to yourself. You are not a perfect everywhere, you are what, trying to make a perfect yourself. No one is a perfect, so what, you give yourself with kindness and compassion. Okay, means what, you give a sympathy to yourself, means what, karuna. Okay, next, what, set a realistic and achievable goal. Do not expect perfection, it is impossible to perfect in every aspect of life. What, set a realistic and achievable goals. You set goal, but what, it is a realistic, not unrealistic. You want to be set a goal, today I am going at a moon, it is a realistic goal? No. If you are astronaut, then it is a realistic. Now you are the student, so it is not a perfect goal for you. So set a realistic and achievable, which goal you have to be achieved, or if you are trying to achieve, then it is achievable. Means I score the what, the that mark, or these things one by step. Okay, this achievable goals. If you want to be eat a 5 plate of food at the same moment, it is not achievable goal. At least single plate you have to be eat, like that means what, आपल्याला हवं तेवढंच खाणं योग्य, अचिवेबल गोल. ओके, डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट अ परफेक्शन. Always you are not perfect. Every person is what, imperfect. So you have to be introduce yourself, I am not completely perfect. It is impossible to be perfect in every aspect of life. There are number of aspects in our life. I am what, expert in a teaching, so no, it is not always I am expert in a teaching. Somehow I am imperfect in any concept. Okay, you have to be what, try yourself, may do perfect, but what, you're not prove yourself I am the perfect. Next, what, slow down when you are feeling intense emotions and thinking logical about the situation. When you are not feeling well at that moment, you slow down yourself and think logically, not emotionally. Okay, and handle the situation. Challenge, make assumptions about yourself, people and situation. Means you are making a challenge, means what, you have a assumption. Means assumption means you have to be think predetermine, okay, about yourself, people and situation. You think about any people, any situation, and then you take a challenge directly or not do, okay. Recognize that past negative life experience do not dictate your failure. There are number of negative things in your past, and this negative thing not develop yourself to go and talk, because in past you are failure in a talking in front of people. So forget about these things and you try newly, okay. Next, what? Express your feelings, belief and needs directly and respectfully. What? Always you have to be clearly express your feeling. I am happy, I am happy. I am not feeling well, I am not feeling well, okay. Feeling. And what? Beliefs and needs. I believe in a God. Directly say I am not believing in a, means what? Openness you have to. Needs. I want to be these things. I want to be that things. You have to openly say. Don't cover up this, okay. And respectfully. Always give the respect to each and every person and each and every thing. And it what? Improve your self-confidence. Learn to say no to unreasonable request. Means always what? We are, because of respect we are not say no. Always what? We are say yes, I am doing. If you are not capable to do this task, but what you say yes, because of the another person may be senior or maybe boss, so always you say yes. No, if you not ready to do these things, you really say no, it is not possible, or I am sorry, okay. And what? Individual counseling can also help increase your self confidence if you need more help. Individual counseling means what? If the individually there are some persons or one person asking a number of questions to you, counsel to you, and what? They are giving a solutions to you. Always it is not a right way, but this is one way to help increase your self confidence. This way today you are learning the concept of self confidence. Thank you.